So as I said, Delhi has decided, but what exactly is the decision? Is it going to be a final stamp on the Aam Aadmi Party's unchallenged dominance in the national capital, or will it be homecoming for the BJP after over 2.5 decades? Of course, the picture that would be clear on the 8th of February, but as we are talking about the numbers here, the predictions here are out, and we will put out especially what the numbers have to say, because is it now projecting as far as a return possibly of the BJP this time? Aam Aadmi Party at position number 2. However, possibly when it comes to the Congress party itself, may also have a hat-trick of zeros. Now, when it comes to the party which has ruled Delhi for over 15 years, we talk about the Congress party between 1998 and 2013, lost power in the national capital when Arvind Kejriwal took over the reins in 2013. But exactly who will win Delhi ka dil? Here are the projections so far. Let's take a look as far as these multiple projections are concerned of at least 10 surveys that we have put out. A clear majority, because here is the total number of seats, which is 70. And out of 70, 36 being the majority figure mark, and most of the surveys have been predicting that that mark is being crossed now by the BJP. All these while few have been giving a less than a majority mark for the BJP. Let's take a look at the number 2 position, because here is anti-incumbency a factor, because that seems to be denting as far as the prospects of the Aam Aadmi Party here is concerned. So it seems somewhere in the midway, because at least 2 of the surveys, however, have been giving the clear majority to the Aam Aadmi Party, but majority of them have been saying that it may not cross the majority mark this time during the elections. Congress party, however, a dismal performance continue, not much, 0, 1 or maximum 3 seats. Will it be a hat-trick of zeros? That remains to be seen. However, these are the poll projections that have now come across from multiple surveys. The picture will be clear on the 8th of February.
2013 के एग्जिट पोल ने हमें हराया, 2015 के एग्जिट पोल ने हमें हराया, 2025 में भी पहले के हिसाब से हमारी सीटें कम दिखाई जा रही हैं। मुझे लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी को एग्जिट पोल हमेशा कम आंकते रहे हैं, और उसका बड़ा कारण ये है कि आम लोगों की जो आवाज है वो अक्सर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जो दबंग हैं वो दबाते हैं। डराया जाता है, धमकाया जाता है, तो एक आम आदमी अपनी बात एग्जिट पोल पे नहीं कहता।
देखिए, कोई भी आप हिस्टोरिकली एग्जिट पोल देख लीजिए, आम आदमी पार्टी को हमेशा कम दिखाया जाता है। 2013, 2015, 2020, पंजाब का 2022, लेकिन जितना दिखाया जाता है उससे कई गुना ज्यादा रियल एग्जैक्ट पोल में आती है आम आदमी पार्टी। तो इस बार भी दिल्ली में बहुत भारी संख्या में लोगों ने आम आदमी पार्टी को वोट दिया है। ऐतिहासिक जीत होने वाली है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी चौथी बार दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री बनने वाले हैं।
So the BJP welcoming the poll predictions, the Aam Aadmi Party rejecting it. But as far as Times Now is concerned, it has always been your election and news headquarters, one stop there. As we guarantee you, when it comes to hearing the biggest and the most credible voices, you will be doing that first here when it comes to Times Now on elections day, on the results day rather. Because let's talk, party wins this time or not. However, when it comes to the contest of Delhi, mainly is seen between 2 parties, which is the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. If there is a possible scenario that for the 4th time, if does the Aam Aadmi Party get an edge, what exactly now plays out, especially when it comes to its favor, and what actually goes against when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party here, especially when it comes to the numbers, they're suggesting that it may not be a clear majority for the Aam Aadmi Party this time. So forming the government there possibly for the 4th time, however, there would be an anti-incumbency factor that would be at play and would be denting when it comes to the considerable prospects of the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP making inroads, especially when it comes to keeping the Aam Aadmi Party government in check. When it comes to the victim card and the blunts, and of course time and again that we have seen the bitter war of words that have played out often between the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital and between the Delhi LG. However, when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party's vote base is now concerned, seems that the Congress may cut into the votes in key seats, and now with reduced majority, the Aam Aadmi Party seems to struggle when it comes to keeping the flock together. There has been a mixed response, however, that has now come in for the welfare guarantees that the Aam Aadmi Party has announced, especially when it comes to luring the women voters, and also talking about when it comes to the lower income graft as far as when it comes to the people, because they may have been now alienated, especially when it comes to the several issues of corruption, of when it comes to other issues as well that may have dented the image or may have marred the image of the Aam Aadmi Party. However, when it comes to the tax breaks for middle class, that may have swung to the BJP side post the budget announcement. Let's take a look, if possibly, when it comes to breaking the jinx of nearly 27 years, if the BJP forms the government in the national capital, because here it would be the double engine ki sarkar. The sarkar at the center would be NDA and so will be in the national capital. However, the factors that would have come in the favor of the BJP would be Aam Aadmi Party's anti-incumbency that would have gained a lot of traction for the BJP's double engine ki sarkar. The promise that they have kept. Guarantee puri hone ki guarantee is something that the BJP has envisioned when it comes to its Sankalp Patra as well. So let's in the meantime also talk about when it comes to the performance there, because as I said, we've often seen this bitter war of words that happened between the Aam Aadmi Party and the government. But however, if double engine ki sarkar forms a government in the national capital, then we are looking at a possible smooth functioning when it comes to Delhi governance. However, when it comes to the vote cutter charge, it seems that when it comes to, as we talk about the Aam Aadmi Party, its vote base may have dented because of the Congress party over there, which may further help the BJP win in key seats. So however, those seats which were previously dominated by the Aam Aadmi Party, it seems that the BJP is gaining more traction. However, bumper voting that has now been said has been reported in the Muslim majority areas, and there too may have hurt when it comes to the prospects of the Aam Aadmi Party here. Let's also talk about when it comes to the issues that the BJP has been strongly and vehemently protesting and taking on the Aam Aadmi Party are issues like of corruption, issues like of Sheesh Mahal may have helped the BJP here as far as when it comes to taking on the Aam Aadmi Party and its what it transpires and to be a clean when it comes to Imandar party tag. Let's in the meantime, when it comes to the announcement that were recently made in the budget, the tax breaks for the middle class may have swung the votes to the BJP side. When it comes to the micromanagement campaign that has now made certain undercuts for the Aam Aadmi Party and has now, what is being said, benefited the BJP largely. These are the possible scenarios there, mainly if you're looking at the the fight mainly between the two parties, which is the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party this time. However, the picture would become absolutely clear come 8th of February when the election results are announced. So this is the election picture there. Let's shift focus now and get you updates that are